In this video, Bitcoin is finally forming some very clear indicators, but right now, is there a potential warning forming here with the Bitcoin price action? Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, right now we are now forming dito kay Bitcoin ng finally some clear indicators which we have been waiting out. So let's give you first a quick recap of our previous analysis. So 'di ba sabi ko nga sa inyo sa previous analysis, we have been monitoring this falling channel, and 'di ba sabi ko nga sa inyo, if magkaroon siya ng breakout, then pwede siya pong umakyat ulit up until the 66k. But 'di ba sabi ko nga sa inyo, ang kailangan dyan is volume, but right now we did not see any volume, so that led into a fake out. I tried opening a long position dito, but na-hit yung stop loss ko. So of course, na-close yung position ko dyan. And right now, ano ba yung next price action dito kay Bitcoin? So if you're going to look at this in the hourly time frame, nagkaroon tayo ng bullish divergence in the hourly. So this is telling us a good sign na this will go back to the 63,700 US dollars. And then sinabi ko sa group chat and sa Instagram channel ko na nag-open ako ng long position dito. So right now, I am already in profits dito kay Bitcoin, and na-recover ko na yung na-lose ko dun sa stop loss na na-hit. And right now, what is next dito? Of course, 63.7k is the very clear target dito for the very short term. But at the same time, meron din isa pang target na pwede tayo mag-form dito, which is if you're going to look in the 4-hour time frame. Kasi you can see in the RSI, medyo mababa pa siya. Pwede pa tayo siguro umakit pa ng paunti-unti dito. Maybe around the 53 ratio dito. So, in that case, what we could eye dito is the 64,700 US dollars, which is the next resistance after the 63,700. And if you're going to look at this in the 4-hour time frame, then sa stochastic RSI, let me show you in a bit. Ito guys, nagkaroon din tayo ng bullish cross dito. So, as you can see, kalahati pa lang yung nangyayari dito sa stochastic RSI. So, 64,700 is somewhat a good number for us to target dito. But as you can see, this is also a falling channel. So, as you can see, falling channel dito, and traditionally, falling channel is a bullish pattern to the upside. But ang very clear resistance dito is the 64,700. And this is the next warning na gusto ko iparinig sa inyo. This is very important, which you have to take note kasi this could decide the next few weeks. And this is actually a warning na which could happen with the Bitcoin price action. If you're going to look at the weekly time frame, we are now about to form a bearish cross in the weekly. So in the weekly, it's telling us na after 2 or 3 days, siguro after na weekly candle close, we might see Bitcoin go down dito for the next few weeks. And in that case, we could eye dito siguro around 57,000 US dollars. But right now, it's still too early to tell kasi of course, hindi pa nagpo-form yung short-term indicators. Short-term indicators are telling us it's going to go down, going to go to the 64,700. And then from here on, dito natin i-monitor dito if magkakaroon tayo ng resistance dyan, at dyan na ba, kung dyan na ba magkakaroon ng downtrend dito kay Bitcoin. And as you can see in the daily time frame, yung RSI din, it's also possible na bumagsak siya dito lalo following the 64,700 and then going down to the 57. But as you can see, the good thing here is paakit na ng paakit yung RSI natin. Ayun no. If you're going to plot that, paakit yung RSI. So that is still a good sign. So either way, it's still a good sign for all Bitcoin price action dito. Ayun no, bullish divergence across all time frames. So it's still a good sign for the long term. It's just that short term bullish, mid term may potential bearish tayo, long term it's still bullish because of the bullish divergence. So those are the critical things na which I am monitoring right now. And right now I am trading them kay Wix kasi kay Wix mas mura Bitcoin trading fees and I'm still trading kay Wix. And potentially soon baka magkaroon tayo ng bagong partnership with Binance, but yeah, I will announce that soon if magkakaroon na ba tayo ng partnership doon. But yeah, right now, those are the things na you have to critically monitor with the Bitcoin price action. But anyway, I guess that's all the update na which I can provide. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.